Yo, what's up, guys? What's up, my D-Gens? Good to see you guys. Good to see you guys. All right, let's have a look at JASMY. The question everyone keeps asking me, and even though I'm making this video, they will continue to ask me without watching the video. They'll jump in a live stream and go, "Hey, Rob, what's your price prediction for JASMY?" And my response will be, go watch the JASMY price prediction video, right? Okay, so look at the market looking pretty good. Looking pretty good to start the year off, guys. Nice, healthy evening. We'll get into the daily close on JASMY and Bitcoin. But first, let's have a look at it. So JASMY up 6.6% on the day, down 11.7% on the week, down 2.8% on the month, but up 479% on the year. We're up one spot in rank right now to 72, $1.65 billion market cap. Now the volume is up. It was down around like 88 million. It's up a bit. It's up to 117.88 million. So it is up a tiny bit, but we need to see this climb back up to into the hundreds of millions. We need 5, 6, 700 million in volume, guys. There's not much volume going on today for obvious reasons. I mean, TradFi markets are closed right now. So there's not a whole lot of trading. So we are actually quite lucky to see as much green as we do in the market. I mean, look at some of these projects, guys. XLM up 30, almost 30.5%. XRP almost 14%. Chainlink 9, HBAR 11. There's some good pumps going on here, guys. So hopefully you guys were buying the dips, right? And now you're reaping the rewards. Algorand 14%, Ondo 8.7. Nice recovery, guys. Supra 7.7. There's some nice recovery happening here, guys. That's what you want to see. That is what you want to see. All right, let's go have a look at the JASMY chart here, guys. Now, you guys will be happy to know we had a fantastic daily close. We closed outside of the falling wedge pattern here. If you can see, we have a new candle. I don't know why I want to say calendar. We have a new candle starting here. 3 cents 418 right now, guys. Can we break back above 3 cents 5 and then 4 cents? That's what I want to see. I want to see us get back up over 4 cents and start closing candles there. And we will. Make no mistake about it, guys. We definitely will. In my opinion, anyway, this is definitely going to be a nice run to the upside here. We should be able to break through the local high here at 5 cents 9,196 cents ish. We should be able to break through there on this breakout. We just need a little bit of volume to start pouring back into the market potentially this week. Now that tomorrow everything kind of goes back to normal. Everyone starts going back to work. Holidays are over. January 2nd, time to start 2025 off with a strong start, you guys, right? Now, I showed you guys before how January 3rd, I've talked about this multiple times, in 2021's bull run, Bitcoin started going parabolic on January 3rd. Bitcoin's dominance started going to the downside, started bleeding out hardcore on January 3rd. Yes, I just said that. I said Bitcoin started going parabolic and the Bitcoin dominance started plummeting right at the same time. If you're new to crypto, I know that doesn't make sense, but believe me, that's what happens. At the same time, the total 2 market cap, which is all of the altcoins outside of Bitcoin, that market cap started going parabolic. And then we also used Ethereum and Cardano as examples, and those prices also started going parabolic when? January 3rd. All this stuff started happening January 3rd. Now, is it going to be exactly identically the same day this time around? Obviously not, right? But give or take, that is when I suspect things will start to go. Now, I think we might see the first 10 days-ish, maybe more red than green over the first 10 days of the month. But I think that January will give fantastic returns on both Bitcoin and altcoins. I think that we are primed for the similar kind of move. as we had in 2021. So, and it all starts right here with a daily close for JASMY outside of this falling wedge pattern, and we are breaking to the upside here. RSI is in neutral at 47.41. Very, very nice there. Going down to the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we are working our way upwards now, guys. We've gotten back over top of the 30-day SMA, which is great. RSI is in neutral. Let's get up here, guys, above 3 cents, 562. That's what we want to see for our next level of resistance. Let's get above there, guys, and start closing candles above there. As you guys know, things are a stair step. They are most certainly not just straight moonshots, okay? Now, that being said, we will see violent moves coming up, okay? And I'm going to get into that momentarily. But first, I wanted to go over a couple of other things. Firstly, let's go look over at Bitcoin. Okay, so on the Bitcoin chart, what do we have? We closed our daily candle right up here at about 94,600. We need Bitcoin to start closing back up over not only 95.6, but we need to start closing Bitcoin daily candles above 98.6, right? That's what we want to see for continuation to the upside. However, I don't think that's going to happen just yet. I'm still calling for a break to the downside here between 85 and 88K. I still think that is what's going to happen. And until we start closing candles above 98.6, I'm going to continue to call for that, right? The longer we stay down here, the more likely it is that we will come down to this level. It is possible we come down between 78 and 80K because there is a CME gap that needs to be filled there, but I don't think that's going to fill until we're coming back down towards the bear market, in my personal opinion. So that's kind of what I'm looking at here on Bitcoin, guys. So the target you want to be watching is 98.6 for daily closes. If you want to start seeing continuation to the upside. What else do we have? We've got a couple of little brief JASMY things to talk about. So the Sky Ambassador says, JASMY holders, from now and during the next 3 months, there will be only small corrections and big increases. He says, hit the like button. Yeah, Give him a follow over on X. So he thinks there'll only be small corrections and large candles to the upside. Very, very nice. Check this out, guys. Today, we have, this is buy and sell orders, guys. JASMY purchases from Sayin1K. Shout out to him. Give him a follow over on X as well. He says, retail is buying JASMY. Just look at this screenshot moments ago that includes both buys and sells with not a single yeet in sight. 2025. No one is selling, guys. Everyone is buying this JASMY dip. Look at all these purchases. You'll love to see it, guys. You love to see it. Okay, and you know what, guys? Just a little word of warning here, okay? Before I get into the JASMY price prediction, I wanted to show you this. Now, Elon Musk changed his name over on X to this meme coin. What the hell is it called again? I can't remember what the meme coin was called. You guys probably heard of it. He changed it like yesterday to it, and the meme coin shot up to the moon. Well, he changed his profile picture back to himself, and look what happened to the meme coin, guys. Listen, when you're buying into meme coins, guys, I have nothing against them, okay? They're not long-term holds. You got to get that into your head. The way I treat meme coins, now listen, this is not financial advice. You do you, boo-boo. Do whatever you got to do. But the way that I personally treat meme coins is if I buy a meme coin, I hold it for a few days, maybe 2x, 3x my money, and I get the hell out of there, right? Meme coins are not long-term viable holds, you guys. They're not, right? I don't care what the community leaders are telling you, right? Be smart, get in, get out, right? Again, not financial advice. I'm just telling you how I treat them. I get in, I 2 to 3x my money, I get out, I flip those profits into utility plays for long-term holds. That's how I treat them. Little shots of liquidity injections works fine for me. Now, let's talk about this JASMY price target, okay? Actually, we're going to go over here. So, where can JASMY go in 2025? We talked this morning about how it's not going to go to all-time highs of $5, okay? And my reason to recap that, my reason is that, guys, there's not enough time, okay, left in the market cycle, first of all. And that time and the launch of the PDL is the key to all of this, right? The PDL is a moving target for the price target on JASMY, okay? It is that crucial. And the reason for that is because without the personal data locker launch on Junction, we have no ability to increase the TVL in the ecosystem, which means we can't lock up tokens, right? We can't stake. We can't do any of that stuff. So we need the super wallet. We need the PDL launched. The sooner that happens, the higher the better the chances that JASMY can go higher, okay? So the longer they delay this, if they delay this until March, if it doesn't come out, if the PDL doesn't come out till March or April, that's really going to hinder JASMY's ability to make higher price targets, right? In just like, listen, it will and it won't. Sorry, what I should say is it limits JASMY's ability to get to higher price targets. It doesn't hinder. JASMY will still do well. I want to preface it that. I don't want to be misunderstood here, okay? So without the PDL, without any kind of total value locked in the ecosystem, okay, my price target for JASMY would be a maximum of about 70 cents, maximum 70 to 75 cents, okay? If you want help designing an exit strategy for JASMY, jump over to the Patreon and we will help you design an exit strategy and a profit-taking plan. We will show you how to front run the market and get your profits and get out before everybody else. So if that's something that you need, guys, get over to the Patreon. The link is down below. Now, in saying that, you don't want to be holding JASMY until 70 to 75 cents. And I know a lot of people want to hear $1. I get it, guys. I get it. But that's without any kind of total value locked, without the PDL coming out or anything like that, okay? Now, if we do get the Junction launch with the PDL, the JASMY Super Wallet, and we start seeing large numbers of TVL in the ecosystem, we start seeing people activating their personal data lockers. And to do that, you have to lock up JASMY. We start seeing people staking, DeFi staking their JASMY on the Super Wallet, right? All of those tokens are being taken out of circulation, which is increasing the value of your tokens in your wallet. If we start seeing that happen, guys, now we're talking something totally different because we do have catalysts as well. We have JASMY being released from the monitoring zone over on Binance. We have the launch of the My Number card utilizing Junction in the Apple iPhones. We have the PDL launch, the Junction launch, the platform that Junction is building with Panasonic, and so much more. More partnerships to come, right? So with all that being said, in a perfect storm, with all of this happening soon, then yes, we could see JASMY break $1. Okay, we could see that happen $1 plus, right? Maybe $1.25, maybe even $2. However, again, that is a moving target because it all hinges on the personal data locker launch, the JASMY Super Wallet launching, and Junction's ecosystem finally getting out there and getting launched. Binance releasing us from the monitoring zone, the platform that they're building with Panasonic launching, right? All of these things are going to matter in terms of how well JASMY can do in this bull run. So it can be a bit of a moving target, which I know is frustrating, right? But what I would say to you is that regardless of all of it, no matter what happens, JASMY is going to be an extremely profitable project for a lot of people, right? And do I think it's too late to be purchasing JASMY right now? Hell no, it's not too late. I believe, and I've said it before, that JASMY right now is at a current price, is right now is lower than the price JASMY will be in the bottom of the next bear market, okay? I don't think you'll see these prices again. That's just my personal opinion, okay? So once again, guys, If you don't have an exit strategy, you don't know how to start DCAing your way out of Jasmy or any of your other projects, get over to the Patreon, guys. We are more than happy to help you build an exit strategy to make sure you're getting out of this market cycle with your profits intact. There's nothing worse, guys, nothing worse than either selling too soon and watching the price go, another 400% or 500% or 1,000% up from where you sold, or even worse, holding on because you think it's going to $1 or higher and then having it top out and you miss your opportunity and then you have to hold it for 4 more years. Terrible feelings, guys. Punch in the gut feeling for sure. If you want to avoid these problems, get over to the Patreon, guys. You can schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. You can join our live group video calls that we do every single day. So you can jump on, you can ask community members in real time, you can see each other, you can talk to each other. We are offering something over there that no one else is doing, guys, right? No other Discord, no other Patreon is putting forth the exclusive access, not only to me, but to each other and the entire community that we are offering over on the Patreon. So get over there, guys. Let's get your exit strategy in place. Schedule your one-on-one coaching AMAs with me. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.